Assalamulaikum viewer, how are you? I hope you are well. So today I will show you how to make ladies slim fit a coat pattern and scale theory coat pattern making tutorial. So watch to full video. Measurement: coat length 29 inch, chest 38 inch, coat waist 34 inch, coat hip 40 inch, coat shoulder 17 inch, coat sleeve 25 inch, coat sleeve cuff opening 10 inch. Scale theory coat pattern making 18 inch scale. Let's see how to make coat pattern 18 inch grading scale. Drafting the coat back pattern starting by drawing vertical a line that is correspond the center back length, drawing horizontally a line from top of vertical line that is correspond shoulder neckline divided by 12 at half back neck with 318 says 38 divided by 24 we got 158. This is shoulder slope says 38 divided by 4 9.5 inch. This is armhole deep chest line, and here I measure waist position says the length 29 half 40 half inch 2 inch plus 16 half inch is waist placement. Scale 18 inch. Now coat length 18 plus 12 inch 18 plus 11 inch. Coat length 29 inch 2 inch plus for seam allowance. Shoulder slope line, armhole deep chest line, narrow waist line, hip bottom line, 2 inch seam margin, 1 inch inward. This is center back line, hip and waist half inch inward, 1 inch inward at neck area. Center back line. Scale divided by 8 we got 2/4. This is back correspond line, 3/4 inch back neck deep, back neck round line. Shoulder is 17 halves, 8 half inch seam margin. Shoulder line. Scale third of 1 6 says 38 divided by 6 we got 638, 2 inch seam allowance and loose half inch inward back cross. This is back chest. Scale third of 1 we got 6 waist 34 divided by 6 we get 5 and 3/4, 1.25 inch loose and seam margin. This is back waist. Hip position 3 inch up from bottom hem. Hip position third of 1 scale we got 6. Hip 40 divided by 6 we got 6 and 3/4 inch plus loose and seam margin. This is back hip, back middle side line. Green line 7 inch side band length, 2 inch band height. Back armhole line. Scale theory ladies sleeve fit coat back pattern. Drafting finish. The cut back part. Like, share, comment this video. Subscribe my channel for next video. Scale theory ladies sleeve fit coat pattern. Here I leave 1 cm for center back seam margin. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Next coming front and sleeve.